Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should start by opening your device's keyboard settings and confirming floating mode is enabled. Press and hold the keyboard icon or pinch gesture to trigger undock. This gives you control. Once done, drag the keyboard to a comfortable region on screen so keys are reachable. Make sure to test a quick text entry. This verifies the keyboard is active and responsive. If the option isn't visible, proceed to the app-specific method in the next step. Now you'll fine-tune placement and scale. Pinch to shrink or expand the floating keyboard so your thumbs reach every key comfortably. Then drag from the keyboard's grab bar or top edge to move it just above any input field. This prevents occluding text. While repositioning, type a sentence to check that predictive text and shortcuts still appear. If the keyboard snaps back, try a slower, steady drag because some systems detect fast gestures as taps. Finally, lock the floating keyboard if your launcher provides a pin or dock control so it won't move accidentally. If the keyboard vanishes, reopen an input field and repeat the undock gesture. Many issues are just a missed gesture. And if controls stop responding, force close the keyboard app or restart the device. This clears temporary glitches. One troubleshooting tip: clear the keyboard app cache before reinstalling. It often restores default behavior without losing custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.